who altered the petition forms?
If I did, I certainly wouldn't tell you.
Okay. All right. Last question. Are you licensed to practice law in Arkansas?
I am not.
Okay. That's all my questions. Thank you.
Representative Woodman.
Well, Mr. Chairman, I'm going to make a fool of myself. But Mr. Gableman, I'm going to tell you one thing. We don't need somebody from Wisconsin coming down here and running his mouth. And I don't care if you've been a Supreme Court justice at the U.S. Supreme Court. We don't need to hear from that. And number one, you're not licensed, and you sit there and smirk and smile all you want. But Representative Ray asked you the question I was going to ask you. Do you know who gave the instructions to alter the petitions?
There is a lot in your statement followed by a question. And your main issue seems to be that I read you the law that's supposed to govern.
To you, Mr. Chairman, the witness is not answering the question.
This is a lawless proceeding, and it is a weaponization. It is a weaponization of the political legislative process, and you should stop.
Here, your point of order.
It didn't. My point of order is he's badgering a witness who's asking him a question that is a member of this committee. My second point of order is he is not staying on the topic of the questions that he is being asked. Thank you.
I'll recognize that point of order, and here's what we're going to do. Representative Wooten, would you please ask your question, and then I will ask you, Mr. Gableman, just simply to answer the question, and then we're going to move on. Representative Wooten.
Do you know who is at fault for altering the documents that are before us that we're looking into?
If I did, I wouldn't tell you.
And I can accept that. Because generally when somebody uses that phrase, they know who did it. So you can be prepared to be involved in a court case. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Moving on to Representative Woldridge.